The buzz surrounding the next generation of DJI's compact creator cameras has exploded into a full-scale frenzy after a highly respected and historically accurate industry insider unexpectedly dropped a crystal-clear leaked image on X, instantly sending camera reviewers, vloggers, filmmakers, drone enthusiasts, and tech analysts into a spiral of speculation, because the caption, "Oh, you've got it in your hands. That's good. Osmo Pocket 4, you're hiding some interesting features," immediately hinted that DJI might be hiding far more innovation inside this tiny upcoming powerhouse than anybody predicted. And the leaked photo itself appears to show what looks like a nearly finalized prototype of what is widely believed to be the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Mounted securely on a compact tabletop tripod with a distinctive checkered pattern wrap covering the head of the gimbal, a design choice that feels experimental and suggests DJI is either testing new external shell materials, alternative grip coatings, or limited edition skin concepts for a future accessory lineup. Next to the small handheld gimbal camera sits what seems to be a second action camera, connected directly through a visible data cable, fueling theories ranging from synchronized sensor testing to rolling shutter calibration to experimental power delivery setups or even internal side-by-side image pipeline comparisons, while a hand adjusting the lower part of the test rig gives off a behind-the-scenes engineering vibe, making the entire photo feel like a candid capture from deep within DJI's secret hardware testing labs. And this detail becomes incredibly important because the image also reveals what appears to be a finalized battery certification sheet, something DJI only generates once a product is extremely close to production, signaling that this device is already in late-stage development and only months away from launch. This aligns perfectly with the company's urgent push to release major hardware before the end of 2025, as the approaching National Defense Authorization Act deadline requires the FCC to confirm whether DJI will face additional security audits by December 23, 2025, where failure to complete this audit could land the brand on a restricted device list, potentially cutting off sales in the United States, which accounts for nearly 40% of DJI's global revenue, meaning the Osmo Pocket 4 isn't just another consumer product but a strategically essential release for maintaining market presence. Analysts now strongly believe that this is why a December launch window is being targeted, likely around December 18, giving DJI a tight but workable timeline to secure FCC approvals, complete global certification cycles, and push units into the hands of creators before any regulatory turbulence hits. Meanwhile, engineers inside DJI's Shenzhen offices are reportedly conducting retail store comparison tests, where early sample footage has leaked internally, demonstrating huge upgrades in low-light clarity, improved stabilization algorithms, better shadow detail, enhanced HDR performance, higher color depth, and smoother dynamic range transitions, suggesting that the Pocket may forth be running a revised imaging pipeline, possibly even a new sensor that supports faster readout, improved thermal efficiency, and upgraded optical performance, something that has been requested for years by the creator community. Production indicators suggest mass manufacturing has already begun, and industry insiders claim DJI's marketing department is organizing synchronized influencer previews, cinematic promo reels, comparison videos, and content creator partnerships that will publish immediately following the global announcement. Pricing predictions place the base DJI Pocket 4 at roughly $699 to $799 USD, consistent with DJI's flagship handheld releases, while rumors continue circulating about a potential Pocket 4 Pro or Pocket 4 Zoom model arriving sometime in early 2026 at around $899. Bringing possibilities such as dual optics, built-in telephoto, zoom, enhanced burst modes, expanded color profiles, and even the highly requested feature, 8K recording capability, which would be an enormous achievement for a device this small. Supporting this theory is the newly redesigned Leak silhouette that shows a slimmer, more ergonomic frame with possible internal vents and improved heat dissipation channels, allowing for longer 4K sustained recording sessions without throttle. Plus subtle hints that crop home placement may have been upgraded, battery life extended toward an impressive 180-minute real-world runtime, and stabilization algorithms refined for more cinematic movement, putting heavy pressure on competing brands like GoPro, Insta360, Sony, and Vivo, all of whom are now investing aggressively in the creator camera space. Simultaneously, the excitement around DJI's Osmo Action 6 has intensified in tech circles because the newest model introduces a groundbreaking 1x1.1-inch nearly square sensor, much larger than standard action camera sensors, delivering dramatically improved low-light performance, enhanced noise control, superior clarity, and smooth vertical video framing, giving creators the ability to crop without losing resolution for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts, while also maintaining clean wide-angle shots for cinematic filming. The Action 6's most revolutionary addition is its variable aperture ranging from f/2.0 to f/4.0, a professional-grade capability rarely seen in action cameras and one that gives creators precise control over depth of field and exposure, allowing superior highlight roll-off, smoother low-light transitions, and professional manual shooting flexibility. Pairing this with 4K 120 FPS, upgraded rocksteady stabilization, enhanced horizon balancing, higher bitrate encoding, and improved color science, the Action 6 positions itself as one of the most advanced compact cameras of 2025, particularly for travel vloggers, cyclists, bikers, filmmakers, adventure explorers, and creators who need powerful performance in unpredictable environments. Meanwhile, the Osmo Action 5 Pro remains a strong alternative with its 1/1.3-inch 40MP sensor, impressive 13.5 stop dynamic range, dual touchscreen design, rugged waterproof build, smooth stabilization engine, clean 4K 120 FPS output, and generous built-in storage that continues to make it one of the most value-packed action cameras available at its price point. Choosing between the Action 6 and Action 5 Pro ultimately depends on whether you prioritize low-light performance, sensor size advantages, and vertical-first workflow flexibility, where the Action 6 clearly leads, or want a more affordable, still highly capable 4K camera that delivers consistent results in most conditions, where the Action 5 Pro continues to shine. But zooming out from the action camera segment, the massive hype generated by the Osmo Pocket 4 leak signals that DJI is preparing a powerful comeback for 2025, pushing forward with new sensor tech, redesigned camera architectures, expanded firmware capabilities, and a renewed commitment to creators despite regulatory uncertainty, proving that the company doesn't plan to slow down innovation anytime soon. And once the Pocket 4 officially launches, with its upgraded gimbal, advanced stabilization, improved battery, enhanced thermal engineering, and next-level imaging pipeline, it may completely redefine what a pocket-sized gimbal camera can achieve for vloggers, filmmakers, travelers, remote workers, documentary creators, digital storytellers, mobile content producers, and everyday users worldwide who want cinematic quality video in the palm of their hand.